Is there anything that would make you stop singing or performing?
Performing talaga. Actually, papunta na ako dun.
Okay.
Papunta na ako dun. I'm celebrating. Ba't nagbibinata ako? Nagbibinata. May problema ba tayo? Hello? May problema. May problema ba tayo, voice? Nagbibinata ba tayo? Actually, I'm celebrating my 40th year in the business. And to celebrate that, I'm going to have a concert sometime in October, pero wala pa kaming date at wala pa kaming venue. But it's going to be my last big concert.
Ooh,
Yes.
okay.
To celebrate my 40th year. It's going to be my last big concert. Although I still have some projects next year, but this will be my last big solo concert.
Okay. Yun. So,
Yung iba mga dance concert na siguro yun. Hindi na singing.